Welcome back to this channel, and today we're going to be looking at how to download and install the Cowrywise app on your mobile device. So if you're using a Google Play Store, this is how to do it. If you're using Apple App Store, I'll show you next time. So let's start with this. Now, Google Play Store is for Android users, so let's get started. You open it up, and on the search bar you type Cowrywise, and then it will take you there. You click on it, and then you can see it. Now you have the option for install. Tap on install. So while that is going on, let's see what it's all about. So it's downloading quickly. In that case, we don't need to go anywhere. We can simply open it from here. So once it's through downloading, the next thing you're going to do is to install it. Now, it's an investment platform. It is the only SEC licensed wealth management app you really need. It's about finance, investments, and if you see here, everyone is welcome. You have a right to build wealth. You can start there. You can join 1 million others building wealth. You can access Naira and dollar investments. You can become more disciplined with money through automatic status, and you can see target amount you get to save periodically. And it is safe, it is secured, it is trusted because it is licensed by the SEC. Next, you get attractive interest rates. You save and invest with peace of mind. So you can start today and watch your money grow in your investment. It's as simple as that. So let's see if it has installed it. Oh, and also it has, let's see the ratings. It has a 4.3 star, and as you can see, 4.3 star. People have a lot of good things to say about it, and it's in. So what we have to do is open it. This is what it looks like. So you can get your money working, build wealth the smart way. Save and invest with Cowrywise, the only wealth management app you really need. So that's it. Next, you have to log in if you already have a Cowrywise account, or you sign up if you do not. On next video, we're going to look at how to sign up on the Cowrywise app.